All right, so let's go ahead and get to our Access website. Should all know how to get there by now. So open up PowerSchool, go to the Applications icon, and click Access, aka CIS. Here we go. All right, today we're going to be doing what is called a reality check assessment. So we just float our mouse on top of the tab and come down here to reality check. You will be running this reality check 3 times. And so watch this short little video and we'll scroll down here. And so there are 3 ways to run this reality check. This one here, the red box, will just do the expenses. Basically, it's talking about your lifestyle. What do you expect? What kind of life do you expect? Are you going to have a champagne budget or a latte budget? So another one is the second one that you're going to run is called the occupation. So this is where you put in, teacher or doctor or whatever you want to do. And then finally, the salary. We'll run the reality check according to the salary. Each time you will be coming back to your career research slides and putting in the snippet, and then you will need to add 3 callouts. So we'll just go insert, shape, all the way down to callouts, and we'll just use this one today. Okay, so there's the callout. You can grab this yellow dot and move it to where you need it to be. Okay, so after reviewing the results of your reality check, you need to insert 3 callouts. So you can just copy that one and then paste it, I believe, and then paste again, and then you're all set. Okay. So maybe you would talk about your monthly expenses in this one. Maybe talk about the annual expenses. And, even right here, federal taxes, $9,000. So, but you have to understand, these are monthly expenses, and this is your yearly. Okay, so this would be your gross. Okay. You can talk about how maybe the entertainment budget can be flexible. You can probably talk about student loans. This appears to be somewhat low. So, just kind of go through here and analyze. Maybe you can save your transportation costs by buying a car that is used, and so you won't have to spend that much on your transportation, or maybe you'll choose to ride a bus. So anyway, so 3 call outs per reality check. So this one here deals with expenses. This one deals with the occupation. You'll put your snip right on top of here. And this one here deals with the salary. So it's all made up for you. All you have to do is go back to the Access website and run the reality check. So just coming through here, it is an Alaska website. So it's going to deal with being someone from Alaska. So let's go. I'm going to go ahead and choose Fairbanks. Okay. And click next. Okay. What type of housing will you need? Well, you want to buy a house? Do you want to live in a 3-bedroom apartment? Maybe have roommates, live at home? Okay. I want a house. So I'll just go ahead and enter that. And you can see that it's going to run all the way through here. And it basically takes your choices. Okay. Electricity. Well, yeah. If you have a house, it's going to be pretty expensive. So I'm assuming, water. We usually have wells. Trash, I'll go to the dump. Other energy. Yeah. Going to have gas to Heat things. Okay, communication services. Yep, and yep. Cable? Nah, but I'll do internet for sure. And that's pretty much it for that one. Okay. Let's see, dine out. Oof. Combination. Okay. Eat at home. There we go. Make your own choice. Okay, transportation. I just have a medium size car. Okay. Close. And so you can see how it just kind of runs through this. You can fast forward this part if you want. There we go. Okay. No health insurance. I'm going to have a job that has health insurance. Okay. Buy insurance through work. There we go. And next. Insurance is a big deal in our society these days. Entertainment. Yeah, I'm going to do that. I have a high amount of entertainment. Personal care. It's normal. Looks like that. Okay. Oh, I have a doggy. Let's see here. Kind of like this. Miscellaneous items. Let's go 360. Okay. So, in the course of this whole thing, right here, it's $4,000 currently. Okay, so how much will you spend on student loans? Okay, a bachelor's degree. There we go. Choose this option if you plan to earn a bachelor's degree. A bachelor's degree typically takes 4 years to complete. Okay. I'm going to private, if you want to go to a private college, but we'll just go bachelor's degree. Okay, how much will you save? Oh, I want this one. You can plan for it, you can save for it. Okay, below are the amounts of items you have selected. First thing we want to do is we want to save this, and we are calling this number 1, and this is expenses. Okay, and save. Let me just come back to it, and then we can analyze it and get the snip that we need. All right, holy smokes, I'm going to need to have $72,922. Yeah. I do have champagne wishes. Okay. So investigate family expenses if I wanted to. All right. So let's just get a snip of this. So we come right in here, get a new snip. Those of you who haven't done this before, come over here, SNIP, grab the snipping tool. Now you only want this portion right here. Okay. So just a skinny portion. Okay, I'm gonna file, save as, and I'm just gonna call this number 1. Just put 1. 1, expenses, EX for expenses. All right, save that. And back here it says, now that you know how much your expenses are, the next step is to find out which occupations pay the salary you need to afford your lifestyle. So I could actually use this salary here, and I might as well copy it and punch it through the next one. Okay, so I'm going to click next. It says, do you know how much education or training you plan to complete? Let's see here. Yes. And I want, scroll, 4 years, and apply. Okay, so next choice. Do you know which career clusters you're interested in? Yes. Okay. Finance. business and health. Apply. Okay, next. Which occupations meet your education and training and career cluster preferences? So from here, these are occupations, right? So I'm going to click Save. And let's see here. Actually, I'm going to go back. Okay. Save as new. And this time I call it, this is number 2. And this is occupation. And save information. I'm going to come back to the occupation. Now, what you want to do is you want to click the occupations that interest you. Let's see here. Financial counselor. Physician assistant. That is a real up and coming occupation. Okay, so I like that. So I saved my checked ones, and these will help me in the next assignment. Okay, review your expenses, edit your education, or change the city. Only if you want to. Okay, so edit your education level and career clusters. Nope, I'm pretty much done. So I'm going to save this as new. And I believe I already saved it as occupation. So I don't need to save it actually. So this time I can come up here to assessments, go to reality check, and scroll down. We started with an occupation. So I'll click, I'm going to do Anchorage this time. And that occupation that I kind of saved was physician assistant, right? There we go. And this is the annual, the income. Pretty good. So it's kind of matching. And then you go through the sort again, or I'm sorry, the reality check again. And so you want to make sure to have the reality checks 3 times. This one, reality check, starting with the expenses. This one's the occupation, and this one's the salary. All right, get to it, have fun, analyze it, complete your 3 slides. Tell me what you know. Remember, I can print this off 16 different ways, and but I only have one of you and one of your ideas and thoughts. So really analyze it and come up with some good ideas as to what you think this looks like for your future. All right. Thank you.